Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. Every time there is a barefaced video, I hope you guys can guess very well that it's gonna be a skincare video because I always try and shoot each and every skincare video barefaced because I really want you guys to see my real skin. So recently guys, a skincare brand called Derma Essentia sent me this. This is a kit of theirs. Let's hold on and appreciate this huge bag which is actually gonna be so handy for my travels as well. It's quite a big pouch actually. Derma Essentia recently got in touch with me and they sent me these products. A little bit about this brand guys, I had also heard it for the first time. In fact, they're a fairly new company. They were launched in 2018, so it's not a very old company. However, they really focus on nature inspired quality products that are backed by science. Their products are dermatologically tested, hence the name Derma Essentia. So it's essentially a skincare brand and they have a huge range of products. If you go onto their website, there are a lot of problem areas where you can find the bundles. Basically, they're suggested products for a particular problem area. So when their team got in touch with me, they checked with me what is the kind of skin that I have. I have a dehydrated skin. That is, I think, the most pressed problem of my skin. It's dehydrated, it is dry. Right now it's winter time, so of course it's even more dry, especially around the nose area. I have porous skin, I have sensitive skin. It's like a combination skin. These areas are not really dry, but I wouldn't even say they're oily, so they're somewhere between combination and dry skin. However, super dehydrated skin for sure. So when their team got in touch with me, they asked me about this problem area. They suggested me their dry skin solution bundle, which is what they sent out to me. It's just like a hydration routine for dry skin. I will be trying these products out today and I will use them for the next 10 days and actually conclude this video on the 10th day. This is my bare skin guys, as you guys can see. Dryness here, a lot of small things like freckles, pigmentation, lot of stuff, but one most common I think issue with my skin is definitely dehydration. I will link down the website below. You can check out their website. It has all the details about the brand, about the kind of products that they have and what all the ingredients are. So starting off with this pouch, which is huge and it's really nice. So guys, these are the 3 products that have been sent to me and recommended by the brand for my dehydrated and dry skin. The first one is the hydrating foaming face wash. This is the hydrating foaming face wash by Derma Essentia with green tea extract and XOP. It's for normal to dry skin. I really try and buy face washes that are really gentle and mild because I really feel you can do up your face with other products because there's so many things that you anyway use. The face wash I feel needs to be the most gentle, that doesn't deplete your skin of the natural oils. Papaya fruit extract helps in exfoliating dead skin and green tea extract helps in reducing damages caused by the UV rays. It has natural skin bioactives, paraben free, sulfate free. And the second product that they've sent me is the ultra hydrating moisturizer. I love moisturizers guys. I loathe myself in moisturizer. With ceramides and pro vitamin B5 improves hydration, restores skin barrier, improves skin texture. The last product that they've sent me is their vitamin C serum. I had never included vitamin C in my skincare regime. However, I've realized now how important it is because it really brightens your skin so well. Antioxidant, collagen booster and skin brightening. Wow, these 3 are such essential features of any serum that you use on your skin. I really like doing these first impressions so that you guys can actually see the real-time effect of these products on my skin. This is the face wash. I love any product that comes with pump. It's so easy to use, and since this is a foaming face wash guys, hence it's very liquidy, it's not creamy. Foaming face washes, they're very gentle and very lightweight face washes in any case. So I'm gonna go and try this out guys. Yeah, check this out. So this is the kind of foam that comes on your face. You have to dampen your face and then apply this face wash. Wow guys, it smells so good, but this actually smells like green tea and it's really smells really nice and refreshing guys. As you can see, this is my pre-face wash skin. Guys, first impressions, it's really lightweight and it's really smooth on the skin. The other trick that I've learned about using face washes is that you should gently cleanse your face for like at least a minute for the skin to actually clean out. I'm gonna wash this off guys. It does feel very light, it smells great. Okay guys, can you see the instant brightening in my skin? It's like suddenly just brightened up my skin so nicely. You've seen the before, you can just rewind and see, but I think my skin feels really nice. What I really like about this face wash is that it's really mild, but when you scrub it on your skin, it is so smooth and really lightweight. First impressions, love it. I've been looking for a simple, gentle face wash for a while now, and my skin doesn't feel dried. You can see it's still supple, like it's like woken up my face sort of a thing. So I feel really fresh. I think it's definitely brightened my skin. So first impressions are really nice. I like it. I'm going to move on to the moisturizer now. A key to my heart, to be honest. For any skincare brand has always been a moisturizer. If the moisturizer is nice, I feel they've nailed it. So let's see how this moisturizer is. So guys, this is how the moisturizer looks like. It improves hydration, restores skin barrier, and improves skin texture. Those are the three qualities that this moisturizer claims. Okay, it's creamy. Thank God. I really like creamy moisturizers, guys. Okay, this is how we... Wow. Okay. Okay guys, I have just used the moisturizer. In one go, I can always tell if a moisturizer is good or not. I think my skin drinks up all the moisture from the moisturizer in like 2 seconds and it's gone. As a first impression, it's really smooth. It's like butter, literally. It's like malai. I like the way it feels on my skin. Can you see? I love that moisturized glow on my skin. This is already giving me that moisturized glow. So while it's not sticky, it is creamy, which makes my dehydrated and dry pores, I think it's just covered everything up. I'm really liking it for now. So guys, some people use the serum first and moisturizer later. I sometimes use the serum first, sometimes use a moisturizer first. This is how the product is. This is a 15 ml jar. Basically, this is a dropper. So you just press this and you take out the serum. Let me... Oh wow, it's really watery. So this is nice. It's nice and watery. Because the serum is water based, I would ideally like to use it before the moisturizer, so you can do that as well. The fact that it's vitamin C and it's a collagen booster, it really has a lot of properties that are very important for the skin. So a serum is very important to be included in your regime, and vitamin C is essential, guys. This is my skin post face wash, moisturizer and serum day 1. I really like it already, guys. A first impression is always important for any skincare that I try, because I always feel, what if my skin reacts? My skin gets red really quickly, so I was really scared about that. However guys, my skin really feels light and supple and good, and at that, as a first impression for any new skincare brand, is rare for me. I will be doing these 3 steps for the next 10 days as well. As a first impression, guys, the face wash has been really nice. The moisturizer has been so smooth, and the serum has been nice as well. However, the thing with serums is you have to use it for a longish time to understand how your skin reacts to it. This brand is available on their website, of course. It's available on Nykaa and it's available on Amazon. I'll link everything down below. So guys, right now also, this bundle on the Derma Essentia website, the full price is 2040 for these 3 products, which is a good price anyway. It's an affordable skincare brand for sure. Sale going on like a 20% off, and it's priced at 1632 for these 3 products, which is great. Hydrating foaming face wash is priced at 475. The moisturizer is priced at 450. Great prices. This is like a very good affordable Indian skincare brand, guys. The serum is priced at 1150. Of course, the serums are usually much more expensive than the other products, so I'm really excited about using all these 3 products. Hey guys, it's day 7 of me using the Derma Essentia products, and I just wanted to show you guys, because I've just taken a shower. It's morning time, and I just wanted to show you guys the results. I've just washed my face with the hydrating face wash. I have used the serum, which is very mild, and now I'm just putting on the moisturizer. I love how this moisturizer feels, by the way. It's super creamy, which I really like, especially on dry skin. This is something that you really need. I really feel this moisturizer does wonders to my skin in terms of making it super smooth. Really blends very well. So the result is this skin right in front of you. I'm really liking it. You can see my skin is super supple and hydrated. The first time I'm trying their products and pleasantly surprised at how my skin is reacting to it. The biggest scare always on a sensitive skin like this is after a few usage, whether you get any acne or not, whether there's any kind of reaction to your skin. But I don't see any of those issues at all with my skin. My skin has very nicely, happily accepted these products. I think it's looking really nice. What do you guys think? Let me know. It's day 7 and I'm loving it. Hi guys, wish you a very happy new year. It's the 1st of January and I had to shoot this finale of this video part on the 1st day of January because obviously I want to be working and be productive on my first day. I wish you guys a very happy new year. It's actually been more than 10 days. It's been about 12 days. I have been using these 3 products from Derma Essentia. I don't know if you guys can tell, this is my best skin. I really feel my skin is doing very well. After using these products, I'm very happy with it. The results are quite nice. I feel my skin is glowing. It always takes some time for the products to give you the results that they promise to. But I really feel in these 10-12 days, I am really liking the effect of these products on my skin. I really feel my skin is much more supple. I feel it's much more brightened. And I might actually order some hair care products from this brand because the skincare seems to be working for me, so might as well try hair care. This was the foaming face wash I've been using for the past 12 days, guys. This face wash really is so gentle. I highly recommend it for anyone who has issue of dullness or dryness or dehydrated skin. The moisturizer that I used, oh my god guys, a little really goes a long way. It's super creamy. Once I used to use it in the morning, I really felt there was a nice soft layer on my skin which was just keeping my skin healthy and supple. So this moisturizer definitely has a very long lasting hydration effect on the skin, which is amazing. Anything that can bring in the dewiness is just perfect. It actually maintains the moisture levels of your skin. This is something I'll definitely repurchase. It's keeping my skin really dewy. Just look at how my skin looks right now. Vitamin C serum helps in removing any kind of dark spots, dullness, a lot of anti-aging properties, which of course if you use on a long-term basis, you must have one vitamin C product in your skincare regime. All of these products have definitely suited my skin and I'm really happy with it. The face wash is super gentle, the moisturizer is super moisturizing, and the serum obviously is good. But till now my skin feels great. As you can see, it's definitely not dry. The flakiness is not there anymore and my skin feels really nice, bright and radiant. I give it a big thumbs up and you can definitely try it out. The fact that it's very affordable, this is like good skincare at a good price. I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions, guys. I'll be happy to answer them. I think of all the 3, the moisturizer is definitely my favorite, but I always feel the fact that the brand has bundled these 3 products together, you should always buy these bundles. A, it comes at a good price. B, it's the perfect combination of ingredients to give you the perfect products for proper regime to cover up all the areas that need to be covered for skincare. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and wish you and your family a very happy and healthy new year. Bye.